G'day DIYers, it's Chriso. This is a nice tile, I reckon. It's copping off a marble and it's very effective. But like marble, it doesn't change. It doesn't change in shape. Oh, not shape. Colour, you know. It's the same sort of blend of colours. Marble can be quite different in colour and patchy. That's the go with porcelain. It's and you don't have to seal it and all that. It's hard wearing. I've got a few cuts on this wall. I might just check before I mark one. I might just check things. They look pretty much in line. Not too bad yet. Not too bad. So we'll go there, there, and there. Yeah, when you're doing a wall of cuts, it can be a little bit slower, but that's just part of it. I didn't mark that. So we'll just put it back up there. I need a mark from the top one. I did another bathroom very, very similar, but it was in 12 by 6. It was on recently, about a month ago. It was a 12 by 6 tile. Same tile, but 12 by 6. The owner loved it, absolutely loved it. I reckon it's a nice tile. And I've always liked shiny. I've always liked shiny in a bathroom. When you're cutting with a grinder, DIYs, when you're cutting tiles, let the grinder or let the blade do the work. Don't try and push it. Don't try and go faster than what it can actually cut. Just let the weight of push slightly, but you know, not overdo it. Don't overdo it. And when you're pulling out or coming out with your grinder, that's the piece I don't want, so I'm pressing against that and coming out. Don't press against the piece that you want to put on the wall. Press against, and then if you chip your tile as you're coming out, you're chipping that, which doesn't matter because it's waste. So when I come out of here, I'm pushing to the right, to that piece. Keep your cutting area a little bit sort of clean if you can.